Welcome back to another video. Today we are discussing on the comprehensive review session of Nexo. 1. Introduction to Nexo. Nexo is a leading platform in the world of digital finance, offering a range of services tailored for cryptocurrency holders. Founded in 2018, Nexo has quickly established itself as a trusted provider in the crypto space, with a mission to bridge traditional finance and the world of digital assets. Whether you're looking to earn interest on your crypto, borrow against your assets, or make seamless crypto transactions, Nexo provides a comprehensive suite of tools designed to help you manage and grow your wealth in the digital age. 2. Earning interest on crypto. One of Nexo's flagship features is the ability to earn high interest returns on your cryptocurrency holdings. With Nexo, you can earn up to 12% APY on assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins such as USDT and USDC. Interest is paid out daily, and you can start earning with no minimum deposit required. What sets Nexo apart is its flexibility. Funds can be withdrawn at any time, meaning you're not locked into long-term commitments. Nexo also offers the ability to earn in kind or in Nexo tokens, which can further boost your earnings. This makes Nexo an attractive option for those looking to maximize returns on their idle crypto assets. 3. Borrowing against your crypto. Nexo allows you to unlock the value of your crypto without needing to sell your assets. Through Nexo's instant crypto credit lines, you can borrow cash or stablecoins against your crypto holdings with interest rates starting as low as 0%. Loans are backed by your crypto assets, meaning there's no need for credit checks or lengthy approval processes. You can borrow up to 90% of the value of your crypto, and you're free to repay the loan at any time without penalty. This makes Nexo an excellent option for those who need liquidity but don't want to miss out on potential future gains in their crypto investments. 4. Security and compliance. Nexo places a strong emphasis on security and compliance, ensuring that your assets are protected at all times. The platform uses military-grade security protocols, including 256-bit encryption, biometric authentication, and insurance coverage of up to $775 million through leading custodians. Additionally, Nexo is fully compliant with regulations in the jurisdictions it operates, adhering to strict KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, procedures. This commitment to security and regulatory compliance gives users peace of mind, knowing their assets are safe and the platform is operating within the bounds of the law. 5. Nexo token and rewards. Nexo has its own native utility token, the Nexo token, which plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. Holding Nexo tokens unlocks a range of benefits, including higher interest rates on your deposits, lower rates on credit lines, and dividends from Nexo's profits. The token also allows users to participate in the Nexo loyalty program, which offers additional perks based on the amount of Nexo tokens held. This makes the Nexo token not just a digital asset, but a key to accessing enhanced features and rewards on the platform. For those looking to get the most out of Nexo's services, holding Nexo tokens can be a valuable addition to your portfolio. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.